Do I look like a stalker?
Yes. You do.
I do fine.
Like I said, my daughter in the car. That baby over there too. Yeah.
It's a 200 and a 125. Shit, hell yeah, about to get that bit.
Get it off. Let me get that bit.
No, for real.
I might hit this bit, right? He down.
Yeah, he clapped.
It's mine.
No, we about to flip that hoe.